Hello again. In this session, we want to organize all previous comments neatly within a function. This function is named createExcel. It not only organizes the data but also saves it in an Excel file. Now, let's examine the body of this function. In the first step, by defining the data variable, we set its value equal to the given function, the same function we defined earlier. If you remember, the inputs to this function are the cryptocurrency name, time frame, and the number of candles or limit. So in the first stage, we seek to call information from the exchange so that we can organize it in the next steps. Note that the inputs to the createExcel function are the same as the inputs to the give function. These inputs, the cryptocurrency name, time frame, and the number of desired candles, determine the parameters. After obtaining information from the exchange, this raw data, as explained in previous sessions, is stored in the data variable. Furthermore, all the steps we took in the previous session to organize raw data are placed inside the createExcel function. In this way, in the second line of the function, we create a data frame based on the information in the data variable with observed columns. In the third line, we convert the open time, which is in numeric string format, to a comprehensible date and consider the index as a date. And in the next line, we convert the columns that were in string format to numeric format. In the final step, by defining the Excel name variable, we set the Excel file name based on the cryptocurrency name and time frame. Following the cryptocurrency name and time frame, the Excel file extensions will also be included for easy opening with Excel. As an example, for Bitcoin with a 1 hour time frame, the name would be formatted like this. Also, using the toExcel function, we save the data frame in an Excel file with the specified name. Finally, as the output of this function, the entire data frame will be returned to the user. With these actions with a single function, we quickly organize the data. Now, for further clarification, here I will type this code. Here, the cryptocurrency name is set to Ethereum. The time frame is set to a 1 minute time frame. Also, the number of candles is set to 60, representing 61 minute candles equivalent to 1 hour of data. Now, I will print the createExcel function with these inputs, and by hitting run, the desired price information will be displayed. Of course, considering the number of columns and the display screen width limitation, this table is divided into several parts. As you can see, this data is sorted based on the date. Now, I want to print a few limited columns here. For this purpose, I will copy this expression. Here, due to the time column being an index, we can remove the date from the print. Well, here I will display the close price and volume as data frame columns. By hitting run, you will see that 60 rows of close prices and volumes are displayed indexed based on the date. It's worth mentioning that you can choose any other cryptocurrency instead of Ethereum, such as storage. By hitting run, the price information for storage will be displayed for us in 61 minute candles. Or for example, we can obtain data for the other cryptocurrency with a 15 minute time frame. Considering the 15 minute time frame, the distance between rows is 15 minutes. While if I change the time frame to a 1 hour time frame, the distance between rows will be 1 hour. In fact, I easily accessed valuable price information using a cohesive function. In fact, with a few concise lines, I was able to access various price information. In the next session, we will use this function. Thanks.